Here I have Renault Captur. Let me show you how to enable or disable hands-free unlock or lock on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Renault Captur infotainment system. Choose here the car icon. It's located at the upper right corner. Now let's select here the vehicle, as you can see right here. And from the vehicle section and from the outside section, you can choose here access. Now you can choose here hands-free lock on unlock if you tap it right here. So right now you don't need to press any key on your key fob to lock or unlock the door. You can also enable here the silent mode, so you will not hear any sound if you lock or unlock your door. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.